Is tantric sexuality just about the physical pleasure, or there's so much going on in energy and connection?
Well, we really say it's much more about the connection than it is about the. You're kind of using sex as a vehicle for connection,
Yeah,
instead of sex as a vehicle for getting off. So we often, like I said before, we often will choose not to orgasm because we just want to be close and get closer and closer and closer and closer and look in each other's eyes and feel an altered state of consciousness, get high from it. And then if we were to orgasm, we'd be like, well, that would stop and we'd be over and we'd go our own ways. So
yeah,
why would we do that? It's not to say we never do, but we most often choose not to because we're much more about the being together and how close can we get. There's this famous psychologist named David Schnark, and he said that people are more afraid of intimacy than they are of death. And Tantra,
wow, that's so true.
and Tantra gets very, very intimate. So it's dealing with your fears about getting really intimate with another human being and to use
Be vulnerable as well, I guess.
very vulnerable.
There you go.
Very vulnerable and open and honest and truthful and showing up just as yourself, which is hard to do because we've all been told there's something wrong with us our whole lives. It's like, I'm just a human being showing up here to share some love with you, and you don't have to be perfect either.
Mm-hmm.